Discover the future of fuel efficiency with Blaze Ecotech. Did you know that there's a product that not only improves your fuel consumption, but also cleans your engine while reducing harmful emissions? Imagine that a Utah-based American company with a 30-year track record of supplying this innovative fuel catalyst to major companies all around the world is now making it available to consumers. With Rensley's global presence, Stoplight Go holds an exclusive agreement to introduce Blaze Ecotech to the Stoplight Go marketplace. Blaze Ecotech accomplishes 3 crucial things for your engine. It saves on fuel consumption, cleans your engine, and reduces harmful emissions. How? By optimizing fuel combustion for greater efficiency. Beware of imitators. Blaze Ecotech remains the original EPA-registered fuel catalyst worldwide. Save more than you spend. Choose Blaze Ecotech through Stoplight Go.